rust goes deep here.
Yeah, and the moss is structural at this point. Yeah.
We should prioritize the nose cone assessment first.
Easy now, easy. Keep it coming straight.
A little to the left, hold it there.
Watch the overhang.
Watch the clearance on the left side.
A little lower now, steady.
All right, hold it right there, easy down.
The moss near the gray stripe has penetrated the sealant layer.
Noted. That explains the rust streaking below it. We'll prioritize this section.
Secure the front sling now. Easy on the lift. Crane.
Look at the state of this bogie. The corrosion is extensive.
Yeah, we'll need to replace the entire brake assembly here. Look at the corrosion on this seam, right under the violet stripe. We need detailed analysis here before we touch the paint.
Copy that. The moss is extensive too. All right, slowly now. Take her up.
Copy, going up.
Engage the hydraulics. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Copy that.
Moving slowly.
All right, easy now. Take the strain. Clear on this side. Watch the cabling, bring it up slow.
Careful, this one is heavy.
Got it. Watch your feet.
Careful, this one is heavy.
Got it. Watch your feet.
Careful with the wiring harness there. I see it, it's rusted solid.
We need the torch over here.
Okay, easy now, lift it slowly. Got it, secure the front bolt first.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Looks good. Final turn on this bolt.
Okay, hold it steady now. Got it. Weld coming in.
According to the tablet, the pneumatic pressure is stable now.
All right, let's double check the voltage on the main line before we close it up.
The structural integrity here looks solid. Confirmed. No issues with the bolts on this section. The repairs are holding up well.
Did you get the torque wrench settings updated?
Okay, hold the stencil steady right there. Got it. Starting the spray now.